Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I break down the most interesting legal stories in a simple and fun way. Today's topic is about one of India's most beloved TV show, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, and how the Delhi High Court just stepped in to protect it. You heard it right. The High Court has issued a John Doe order to protect the intellectual property rights of the show. But what does that mean exactly? Let's break it down. So, first thing first, let's talk about what a John Doe order is. Simply put, it's a legal tool that allows court to issue orders against unknown defendants. This type of order is typically used to prevent further damage when the people committing the illegal activities are not easily identifiable. In this case, Neela Film Productions, the creators of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, approached the Delhi High Court with a serious complaint. The production house noticed that their show's character, plot line, and even dialogues were being misused across various platforms, social media, websites, and even through AI generated content. So, what kind of misuse are we talking about? Well, this ranges from people making unauthorized videos and animation using the show's characters to even selling unlicensed merchandise. Some platforms went as far as using the character for deep fake and inappropriate content. This widespread infringement clearly violated the intellectual property rights that Neela Film Production holds over the show, and the court wasn't having it. So, in this ruling, the Delhi High Court agreed with the production house, issuing an ex parte interim injunction. This means that the court didn't just block the known infringers, but also applied the order to all John Doe defendants, meaning anyone who might be involved in the future in similar activity. The ruling has sent a strong message. Intellectual property will be protected, especially when it comes to creative works like TV show, which brings so much joy to millions of people. Producer Asit Kumar Modi, the creative force behind the show, was visibly relieved with the ruling. He stated that it reassures everyone involved in the production that their hard work won't be exploited. He also expressed excitement about continuing to expand the show's universe through animation, gaming, and merchandise. This case is a landmark movement not just for entertainment industry but for content creators across India. It highlights the growing need to protect creative work, especially in today's digital age where content can easily be misused online. If you're a fan of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, you can rest easy knowing that the show's character and stories are safe from exploitation for now. And for all your content creators out there, this is a reminder to make sure your intellectual property is well protected. That is for today's video. If you found this legal background helpful, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simplified legal stories. Until next time, stay informed.